Hello everyone. See all of you. Board exam question paper pattern for SP 12th standard according to Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. Secretarial practice board paper pattern is given below. Let's see, your question paper will be of 80 marks. Time duration is 3 hours. First question will be objective type question. From the following types of sub-question, any 4 question will be asked. It may be select the correct option, match the pair, give one word or phrase or term, state true or false, find the odd one out, complete the sentences, select the correct option, from the bracket, answer in one sentence, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following statement and arrange in proper order. From this questions from A to J, any 4 question will be asked. Each question carry 5 marks and total objective type question will be of 20 marks. Okay. Now second question will be explain the following terms or concept. This question will come for 8 marks. Means out of 6 questions you have to attempt any 4 questions. Each carry 2 marks. Next is study the following cases or situation and express your opinion. This is application based question. This question carries 6 marks. Means out of 3 questions you have to attempt any 2. Each carry 3 marks. Next is question number 4, which is distinction between. This question carry total 12 marks. Means out of 4 questions you have to attempt any 3 and each question carry 4 marks. Here some mistake is there. You correct the mistake, means each question will carry 4 marks, and here also one mistake is there. One question will carry 3 marks. Okay, means out of 3 you have to attempt any 2 and this is for 6 marks. Means question number 6 will come for 6 marks. Question number 4 will come for 12 marks. Means out of 4 questions you have to attempt 3 and each question will carry 4 marks. Next question number 5 is answer in brief. Answer in brief will come for 8 marks. Means out of 3 questions you have to attempt any 2 questions. Each question will carry 4 marks. Next is question number 6. Justify the following statements. This question will carry 8 marks. Means out of 4 questions you have to attempt any 2 and each question will carry 4 marks. 7th is attempt the following, which is letter writing part. Means question number 7 will totally for letter writing and this question is for 10 marks. Means out of 3 letters you have to attempt any 2. Each letter carry 5 marks. Last question is answer the following questions. That is long answers. Means this question will carry 8 marks. Means out of 2 questions you have to attempt any 1 and that one question carry 8 marks. Means total 80 marks question, 80 marks paper will be there. Let's see chapter wise distribution of marks or unit wise distribution of marks. See first chapter, first and second chapter, which is sources of corporate finance and corporate finance. Means chapter 1 and 2 carry 17 marks and with option this chapter carries 25 marks. Means chapter number 1 and 2 will be asked for 17 marks and with option it will be asked for 25 marks. Second, capital raising. Under capital raising, chapter number 3, 4 and 5, these chapters will come for 24 marks, and with option this will come for 35 marks. Third unit is secretarial correspondence, means letter part, that is chapter number 6, 7 and 8. This chapter carries 13 marks, and with option it carries 18 marks. Chapter number 4, that is depository system, means 9th chapter, it carries 7 marks, and with option it carries 11 marks. Next, payment of dividend and interest, that is chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 carries 9 marks, with option it carries 13 marks. Last, that is financial market, under which 11th and 12th chapter will come. These both chapter carry 10 marks, and with option it carries 14 marks. So this is unit wise weightage of marks or distribution of marks. And question paper pattern we have already discussed above. Objective type question will be asked for 20 marks, short answer will be 52 marks, and long answer for 8 marks. Okay, thank you.